One line of research set out to determine if people who were experienced multitaskers might be better at it than those who didn't regularly engage in the practice. Perhaps, the researchers speculated, multitaskers deal with brain challenges by getting better at task-relevant strategies. Specifically, the researchers hypothesized that experienced multitaskers might be better at focusing their attention on the key pieces of information that are most important for each task and filtering out the irrelevant information. However, the results of these studies demonstrated exactly the opposite. When you are multitasking, you are generally more distractible. Any environment contains potential distractions. We all learn to filter out these distractions and to keep our minds focused on the current task at hand. After a great deal of multitasking, however, our ability to filter out distractions is negatively impacted. If you multitask on a regular basis, simply keeping your attention on any one task becomes more difficult, not less. There are a number of solutions to these challenges, but they all revolve around the same strategy. You should practice doing only one task at a time, that is, single tasking or monotasking. Think through the activities you want to do and pick one. Then, to the best of your ability, try to block out everything else before you begin working on it.